In this video, I will be showing you how to unlock a page in Canva. Let's get started. I'll start on the Canva home screen and search for a menu template. I'll type menu into the search bar and hit enter. Once the results load, I'll scroll through the options to find a design I like. I'll click on this yellow vintage illustrative restaurant menu to open the preview, then select the button to customize this template. Now that the editor is open, I'll hover over the design and click the three-dot menu icon in the top right corner. From the drop-down list, I'll select the lock icon to lock the page. You'll see a small lock symbol appear, and if I click it again, I can choose to only allow replacing content. To fully unlock the page so I can move everything freely again, I'll just click that lock icon one more time to unlock it. Now the design is fully editable once more. I hope this video was helpful in showing you how to manage locked elements in your projects.